Hi, I'm Dr. Allam Bhavna and I'm a consultant psychiatrist at Asha Neuromodulation Clinics. In this video, we'll be talking about an advanced treatment for obsessive compulsive disorder. OCD, which is caused by neurochemical disturbances inside the brain, is a serious, long-term and disabling mental illness. It affects 1 in 4 people and causes a lot of suffering to the patient. The current treatment options for OCD are medications and therapy. But these treatment options come with a lot of challenges and they have limited and mixed results. Even with adequate treatment, there might be multiple relapses that we can see. The other problem is that it takes a long time to see response, and in this time, the patient has trouble continuing with medication or therapy. Due to all these reasons, the patient loses hope in recovery and the patient and family members, they continue to suffer. To address these challenges, we at ANC have introduced a high-intensity treatment program for OCD called as ANC HIT for OCD. This program integrates deep TMS or deep transcranial magnetic stimulation, exposure and response prevention therapy or ERP therapy, medications and counseling. The program, which integrates these 3 components, is first of its kind in India and probably the world. It is done on an outpatient basis with a dedicated team of experienced psychiatrists and psychologists. To explain more about this program and to give more insights, we have with us our team's experienced psychiatrist Dr. Shweta, who will talk about this program more. Thank you.
Asha Neuromodulation Clinic provides high-intensity treatment for patients with OCD. ANC HIT program. It integrates pharmacotherapy, ERP sessions, and deep TMS. All the 3 addresses the neurochemical, neuroelectrical, and the motor responses and the psychological aspects of OCD. ANC HIT program. It's one of its kind of a program which is available for the first time in India, probably in the world also, only at Hyderabad Gachibowli unit. What is ANC HIT program? A high intensity program tailor-made for each individual needs, delivered in a group setting. So this particular program, it's a 5-day program, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. We take around 5 to 6 patients with similar complaints of OCD. We involve family all throughout the treatment process, and during this program, the patient receives 30 to 40 hours of exposure response prevention sessions, around 30 deep TMS sessions during this program. Deep TMS is a neuromodulative technique. It involves magnetic impulses that stimulate deeper brain areas involved in OCD. Along with that, we also adjust the pharmacotherapy. Family is involved during the entire program. Not only this 5-day program, we follow up the patient for 3 months, during which the first week we follow every day, and during the rest of the 3 months we follow once in a week, during which patient also receives follow-up maintenance, transcranial magnetic stimulations, and sometimes if required, exposure response prevention treatments also.
Hi, I'm Swati, psychologist at Asha Neuromodulation Clinic. My role is to guide the patient through exposure and response prevention therapy. I expose the patient to multiple triggers, outside triggers that increases their anxiety. Then we stop them from performing compulsions once the exposure is done. We do this to make the patient understand that anxiety is reduced only by letting in the anxiety come in, leaning towards it, and not performing compulsions. There are certain situations where the patient can feel too disturbed or distressed due to repeated exposure to such triggers. In such situations, we stay by the side of the patient, we support them, we make them understand that leaning towards anxiety, living with it, and not performing compulsions will break this cycle of OCD.
I am Lahari, psychologist at ANC. Apart from doing ERP sessions and following up with the patients, we also teach the family on how they can help the patients with OCD. This is because they play a crucial role as primary caregivers who can help in the process of their recovery. Patients with OCD tend to insist family members on doing compulsions, and we as psychologists help them to understand why and how to not accommodate for them. Whenever the patient is highly anxious, highly distressed, we guide the family members how they can help the patients at those times. Our responsibility lies not just in helping the patients but also to address the concerns and suffering of the family.
Hi, I'm Rajesh Betala. I'm a psychologist. To work with patients with OCD, one needs a lot of kindness, empathy, and understanding. As a psychologist, we've been trained on how to address the most serious issues as well as the common issues that can arise during the program. Aim, role, and duty of a psychologist who's part of ANC HIT is to show and guide the patient to conquer the OCD and to be with them while he or she conquers the OCD. And not only that, to be with the patients when they get their life back after the program.
Hello everyone, I am Himanshu Prabha. Our role as psychologists in this HIT program is beyond 5 days. So we conduct follow-up sessions for over 3 months. In these follow-up sessions, we make sure that the patient is able to manage with their OC symptoms, and we also educate them if they have any setbacks. At the same time, we also give sessions for family members if they face any burnouts or if they face any problems. So the follow-up sessions will happen over 15 to 20 minutes. The total number of follow-up sessions are 20. The hand-holding will gradually taper off till the patient is independent to manage his or her OC symptoms. Most importantly, in this HIT program, we make sure that we are there with the patient from the beginning of the treatment, that is 5 days of the treatment, and after the follow-ups and during the follow-up sessions also. This is to make sure that they are able to manage with their OC symptoms and also to lead a quality life. Thank you.
ANC HIT program. It's an advanced comprehensive treatment aimed to conquer OCD.